So a lot of people have told me they hate the way Windows looks and performs on desktops and laptops that don't have touch screens, and would love to get back the Windows 7 start button or icon. So in this video I'd like to show you a little program that you can use, download and install, and make your Windows 8 desktop look and feel like Windows 7. So I'd just like to show you it first. Classic shell is what it's called, and these are the features. So you can have three different types of start menu. So the start menu you're really looking for is the one that's like Windows 7 or Vista, and you want to see where all your programs are, and you have the control panel and your documents, pictures, music at the touch of one button. But with Windows 8 you don't really have that option at the moment. Now they are, I think, working on a new start for non-touch screen users, so that you'll have all this access back. So I'm going to show you now how to download and install this Windows shell. So it's the website is called classicshell.net. And so if you type in Windows shell there, and it'll come up with at the top of your browser, classicshell.net, and just click on that guy. Okay. Now you can also download it through CNET download, and you can also download it at sourceforge.net. Okay. So that'd be the ways I would download it. So we're going to go now to that site. So if you just click on it there, it'll bring you straight to the site. Now if you like this start button, this classic start menu Windows 7, I would encourage you to donate to this website, because it's well worth a few quid, you know, because Windows 7 is, or Windows 8 is a difficult thing to use for people that are used to Windows 7. So if you can afford it, donate to them. Okay, they're doing this for free. So you can use it on Windows 7 also. By the way, it gives you a few extra features in Windows 7 that wouldn't already be there, and you can check out the features by going to see all features here, this guy here, and it'll bring you to this page, and you can see all the different features that it has, what you can do with it. Okay, so I'm going to download it now. I'm using Mozilla Firefox. Now if it's a thing that you're going to download it on Windows 8, make sure you download it with the desktop. So click on that desktop on your computer, and that'll bring you to the desktop, and then use the Internet Explorer from there. Now you should have other browsers on your computer anyway. If anything ever happened to Windows Explorer, you could use one of the other ones while you get Windows Explorer sorted. So, but download it from your desktop. Okay, this guy here. That brings you to the one that has no start button, but it looks a bit more like Windows 7. Okay, so let's do the download now. So I'm using Mozilla Firefox for this download. Just click on download now, this one here, and this window will open. Classic shell setup 4_0_6.exe seems to be the new version of it. They'll have the new version of it anyway here. Okay, so click save file, and it'll save to. Now if you're using Windows Explorer, you'll be saving it, and it'll come up in a bar down here at the bottom of your browser. So once it's downloaded, it's a very small program, by the way. It's only 6.5 megabytes. So double click on it there, and we'll run it now, just to show you how to do it. So open file, warning, security, yada yada. Just click run, and then it'll give you this setup wizard. So basically what you do is click next. You just get rid of all that stuff. So click next, and then you have to accept the license agreement. Click next and create a start menu folder. Make sure that guy is ticked. It will be anyway, so just click next. And by the way, location where it's going to be saved to is C program files classic shell. So you want to uninstall it, you can just go to your control panel, go to programs and features and uninstall it there if you want. Okay, so next there, click next and then install. It's ready to install classic shell. So before you do, this little guy down here, that on Windows 8 it will show up as it'll be documents. This will be kind of it'll just have a folder there. So this is going to change to a little shell actually. So just install and we'll see how it goes. So I'm installing it here on Windows 7. I just want to see how good it is on Windows 7. So your user account control will ask you, do you want the following program to make changes? Click yes, and completed the classic shell wizard. Click the finish button to exit the setup wizard and click finish. Okay, so it opens a read-only file. It may or may not open this on your computer if you select it. I left it selected, I think. So that's it. Once you first click on this new start button, it will have the shell. You see this guy here, this little shell will be the icon, or you can change it to classic start button, or you can custom and pick an image. The shell button looks like the old version of the Windows 7 version. So I'd leave it as that, and then just click OK. So you'll always get this option: classic style, classic with 2 columns, or Windows 7 style. And that Windows 7 style will be the same as this one here. So just click OK and you're ready to go. Now you can tinker with all the settings as you go. It has already set up on this one now. You see all your programs there, and you have accessories and all that good stuff. Okay, so as I said, you can check out all the features here on this page by going to see all features, and you can look down through them there. There's a lot of good stuff on it actually. You know this one where copy replace in Windows, you can change it to this old version, and it's not as confusing looking, you know, like copy and replace. What's that all about? Don't copy but keep both files, and skip. And this is just simply, would you like to replace the existing file with this one, and go yes or no, whichever. Okay. And then there's another classic Internet Explorer, like the older version of it, and it gives you the taskbar, the full RUL of the sites. You know, with the one that's out now, the new version of Internet Explorer, you don't have this. It's a smaller bar at the top, and you don't get the progress bar of a website opening either on it. So, and it shows you protection mode as well at the bottom, like the old version of Internet Explorer. And there's a few other nice features there. You can have a look around. And there's FAQs there, screenshots, translations, and all downloads. So that's pretty much it. I hope this has been helpful to someone that's having trouble with Windows 8. So thanks for watching.